Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the July uprising of 2024. It is an important event in the history of Bangladesh. The event started with students. They wanted a fair and equal job system. At first, the movement was peaceful, but police used force against them. Even then, students from universities, colleges, and madrasas continued their movement. Many ordinary people also joined them. My beloved brothers and sisters, on 16 July, a brave student, Abu Said, became the symbol of courage. He stood unarmed in front of the police. He was shot and he died. My beloved brothers and sisters, another brave student was Mir Mahfuzur Rahman Mugdho. He was giving water to tired people and saying, Pani lagbe pani. That means, do you need water? Do you need water? Soon after, he also was shot and lost his life. My beloved brothers and sisters, many people, including children, also died during the violence. But their death gave them determined to continue the movement. On 5 August, millions of people from every corner of the country joined the long march to Dhaka. Then the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina resigned and left the country. My beloved brothers and sisters, this event teaches us that when people stand together for truth and justice, they can bring change. May Allah forgive all the murders, grant them Jannatul Firdaus, and bless our country with peace, justice, and unity. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.